here we can see how much snow has fallen. I'm going to measure it with inches. Okay. So for now it snowed 1.5 maybe or more, almost 2 inches, but 1.5 inches. Here we are shoveling, and it's a lot of snow. It was supposed to snow like, let's say, 1 foot, but it hasn't yet. And it might stop snowing at 3 o'clock. Here we could see that there is about 4 inches here. Because in different places here, there's like different types of inches and stuff. So right here, I'm over there. So here there's like 4. Because they're piled up, kind of. And if I put it inside here, it's already like more than 1 foot, kind of. So, yes. This is the winter of the year. My dad's shoveling, and there's a lot of snow. Doesn't look like a lot, because it's only... Right here, you can see that there's only like 1 inch something. I was going to measure it in here in the floor, but my dad had to shovel it, but it's okay. But there's a lot of snow here. It's crazy. You could see here on this street, and it's snow. It basically just snowed 2 inches of snow. And now I'm going to measure it over here, how much snow, because they haven't shoveled anything here, so I guess I'm going to do it here. Okay. So here we have this little street, sidewalk, okay? So we're walking down over here, see how much it has. As you can see, the cars are covered with snow. Now it's set right here. Right here, we could see that not even 1 inch. In different places, there's different amounts of snow. And that's weird. You know why? Because this sidewalk has been shoveled. But here, if I walk more down here, it is about 4 inches of snow. And this is weird because in different little parts here, there's different kind of snow. No, the same snow, but different measurements. And it's weird. Here's about like 4.5 or 5. So we can see how much there is. As you can see, my feet covered with snow. Now over here, we could see there's about 3 inches. Now we're crossing the street. As you can see, there's a lot of snow. A lot of snow. We're walking down over here. As you can see. Okay. So, here's a pile of snow, and my dad shoveled it here. And here we could see how much. 2 inches. Because, I don't know, this is so weird. In different little parts, there's different kind of measurements, okay? So, that's what we see here. And over here, there's like a lot. As I'm walking over here, it's a lot. So here I put it down. There's like about, let's see, almost 5. And let's go back over here. Okay. Here's a lot. Like I measured, it will be 1 foot or more over here. See? And over here, they get piled up a lot. So it's different because it snowed like on Saturday, and we shoveled, but some parts we didn't. But here, I don't know how much it would be. My dad shoveled it here already. I don't know how much. But here I'm going up over there. You can see the snow in my patio and stuff. My dad shoveled this all up. And now you could see this. Over here there might be even more. So stay tuned, I might do another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.